currently pursuing third year BTech Agricultural Engineering in VSB College of Engineering Technical Campus, Coimbatore. I am going to talk about apiculture. Apiculture is also called as beekeeping. It is the maintenance of bee colony by human in order to collect the product like honey, bee wax, propolis, etc. However, obtaining honey is easier and more convenient if the bees are encouraged to the nest inside a hive. This housing of bees in a container is called as beekeeping, but the term is used to describe all the technique involving bees like harvesting and processing of the product. Honey bee seen around us can be classified into 5 species, namely rock bee, Indian hive bee, little bee, European or Italian bee, damer or stingless bee. Every honeybee colony comprises a single queen, few hundred drones and several thousand worker caste of honeybee. Queen is a fertile functional female, worker is a sterile female and a drone is a male insect. These small insects have a perfect role and a well-defined system. There is only one queen in a colony. She is considerably larger than members of other castes. She lays up to 2000 eggs per day. She lives for 3 years. The drone or the male bees. They are much larger and stouter than either the queen or the worker. The normal lifespan of the drone is 57 days. The last gathered worker are the smallest inhabitant of the beehive and they are sterile female bees. They form the bulk of the population. The number of workers in a colony varies from 1500 to 50,000. The lifespan of a worker is about 4 weeks during active session. The government provides financial support to this industry by many development programs like Hill Area Development Program and Integrated Terrible Development Program. The income earned by the farmer through beekeeping activities in an additional income to their agricultural benefit. Honey production is a lucrative business and it generates employment. Kanyakumari district in Tamil Nadu is a pioneer in honey production. The beekeeper depends solely on the flow session for improving their economic condition. Marketing of honey. Apiary is produced in beehive and is harvested by extraction in honey extractor. Other type of beekeeping equipment like queen excluder, smoker, hive tool, pollen trap, honey processing plant are also used. Beekeeper sell the honey to the cooperative society. If one exists in the area, in many parts of India, the beekeeper get much higher price if he sell it directly to the consumer. Honey has so far been consumed mainly as a medicine and for religious purpose. A small quantity has been used in kitchen as an ingredient for pickle and jam preserves. With the increasing protection in recent years, there is an increasing trend to use honey in food. This is obviously the case with the affluent segment of the population. Forest honey is used in pharmaceutical, food, confectionery, bakery and cosmetic industry. Indian honey has a good export market. With the use of modern collection, storage, beekeeping equipment, honey processing plant and bottling technologies, the potential export market can be tapped. Beekeeping is a promising business always. Success as a failure depends on its efforts as a farmer. Thank you.